Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Look what I have. I have the three colors so far for the Lamborghini Urus. Now the yellow one is the first release in Hot Wheels for the Lamborghini Urus. This is a new mode that they made in 2020. So here's a closer look at it. Now I do have a video that I talk about it more, and I'll leave a link in the video for you guys to watch it and see what I talk about on this car. And I'm just wanting to show you guys the three colors that they have. So it started out with a yellow, then at the beginning or the end of 2020 and in the beginning of 2021 they made a blue one with different kind of wheels. So you can see that this is kind of like a star shaped 5-spoke, and this one is a, I don't know how you would describe this. This is kind of like what they use on most of the SUVs sometimes. Big, huge, looks like a really big rim. So that's the blue one. And then just recently in 2021, they released this white one, and it has the same wheels. So if you want to get something unique, the yellow one would be the original, and it has the different wheels compared to the others two. So this one would probably be rare if you could ever find them, because now that it's 2021, this one came out last year. So here are the three colors. Which one do you guys like? For me, I like the yellow one because it just stands out. And, you know, a Lamborghini, you notice that a bright yellow car, and then you'll say, hey, what is that? And it's a Lamborghini. So let's see what it says on the back. It was born in 2017. So that's the first year that they made the real vehicle in real life. And it was made in Italy. I can't really say the city name. I don't want to mess it up. It is the world's first super sport utility vehicle. Injects the DNA of Lamborghini's legendary design and performance into an SUV with a super sports car soul. So this is the first time Lamborghini made an SUV. So that's what's unique about this vehicle. And here they are, the three different colors. I do like the three colors without any like tampos or paint designs. Just nice and clean and simple look on this vehicle. So like I mentioned before, I do have another video that shows more detail, talking about the small stuff about how it looks like and my little review of this Lamborghini Urus. So I'll leave that link in a YouTube card or a little pop-up in my video, and also I'll leave it in my description of my video too. So be sure to check it out, and remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.